Hello, I'm Vijay Balaji, and this is my project, the eCart app. The first slide we can see here. The summary is here I'm presenting my Sprint 1 application of eCart app, and here a user can register using a registration page in the application. A user can log in using the login page in the application. A user can view the products on the eCart application. Also, the user can scroll items horizontally, and also a user can scroll the items vertically. A user can see their account information. A user can edit information. A user can view items in the multiple categories in the application. Well, after that, as a user, I want to register for the application for my account in the app, so that user can register who I am. So here a user can register their information. So here user can register their information. That's it, and it's done. After that, a user can have the login page so that they can log in with their own credentials. And well, this is the login page for my app, is the eCart app in it. And after that, a user can see the products so that they can know products. So let me log in the page. So if I click login without the information, it shows to enter valid email address and a password. So let me log in. And here as a user, I can see the products, and I can know the products, what all the products I have here. And as a user, I can scroll the items. So either I can see the products and scroll it this way, and also here. So as a user, I can scroll the products and have better accessibility over here. So I have multiple things over here. And as a user, I can log in with my this as a authenticator. I can log in with my own credentials, and I can view all the products in the app. And as a user, I want to log in with my credentials so that I can view the products in the app and also in the categories. This is the gesture. If you just pull this side, so you will be scrolling everything. So as a user, I can have a registration page so that I can register here. So, and here also I'm logging with my credentials so that I can enter the application. As a user, I want to have the other options in the eCart application so that I can have more other options of better usability that I will be adding very soon. Let's see my database, my Firestone, and this is my database. This is the database I created. This is print app, and the authentication here. There are 5 different emails, and this is the one this is the one which I have login with my login into the application, and these are other two of them. And in the database, I'm having eCart and fields with shoe. For now only shoe, but I will be adding many more in the later. So that's it for now. Thank you.